Once upon a time, nestled deep within a sun-drenched valley, lived a tiny fairy named Elara. Her wings, the color of ripening mangoes, shimmered softly in the dappled sunlight that filtered through the leaves of the ancient mango trees. Elara was the mango rain fairy, and every summer afternoon, as the village children drifted off to their naps, she would dance among the branches, showering them with sweet, juicy raindrops that tasted just like mangoes. The villagers loved Elara's mango rain. When it fell upon the fields, it made the crops grow tall and strong, bursting with flavor. When it touched the flowers, they bloomed into a kaleidoscope of colors, their petals fragrant and sweet. And when it landed on the children's cheeks, they would giggle and sigh contentedly, dreaming of mango trees reaching up to the sky. One day, while Elara was sprinkling her magical rain, she heard a tiny whimper coming from beneath a large mango leaf. She fluttered down gently and peeked into the shadows. There, curled up in a ball, was a little ladybug with its antennae drooping sadly. "What's wrong, little one?" asked Elara, her voice as soft as the breeze rustling through the leaves. "My name is Luna," the ladybug whispered, "and I lost my way home during the storm last night." Luna sniffed, tears welling up in her big black eyes. "I can't find my family, and I'm so scared." Elara felt a pang of sympathy for the little ladybug. She remembered how lonely it felt to be separated from loved ones. "Don't worry, Luna," she said gently. "I'll help you find your way home. Climb onto my back and hold on tight." Luna gratefully climbed onto Elara's back, her tiny legs clinging tightly to the soft fuzz of her wings. Elara took off into the air, soaring above the fields and trees, her mango-colored wings catching the sunlight. As she flew, she asked Luna questions about her family and their home. Luna told her about a beautiful rose bush where they lived, its petals always fragrant and colorful. Finally, after what felt like an eternity to Luna, Elara spotted a familiar patch of roses in the distance. "Look, Luna," she exclaimed. "There's your home." Luna gasped with delight as she saw her family gathered around the rose bush, their antennae waving anxiously. She quickly hopped off Elara's back and scurried towards them, buzzing happily. The other ladybugs welcomed Luna back with open arms, showering her with love and affection. They thanked Elara profusely for her kindness and help. Elara smiled warmly, knowing that she had made a difference in the little ladybug's life. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows across the valley, Elara returned to her mango tree. She felt a deep sense of contentment, knowing that she had brought joy and happiness to both the villagers and the little ladybug. The sky above was now ablaze with 1,000,000 twinkling stars, each one a tiny spark of magic in the vast darkness. The wind whispered through the leaves, carrying with it the sweet scent of mango blossoms. Elara closed her eyes, feeling the gentle warmth of the sun on her wings. She knew that soon, the village children would be sleeping soundly, dreaming of mango rain and magical fairies. And so, under the watchful gaze of the stars, Elara drifted off to sleep, ready for another day filled with magic and wonder. The world around you is quiet now, isn't it? The gentle sounds of the night are all around us. Close your eyes, little one, and let your dreams take flight. Dream sweet dreams of mango rain and sparkling stars. Sleep soundly, my dear, sleep soundly.